Right now, we've got a sentiment score of 0 and a momentum spike of plus 0.28 in the film sector, which is particularly intriguing. Typically, a sentiment score of 0 suggests a neutral stance among audiences, yet the positive momentum indicates increasing interest or engagement. This divergence could highlight an upcoming film generating buzz despite mixed initial reactions. Our API returns a comprehensive analysis of film sentiment, providing you with insights like this one to guide your decisions. Imagine leveraging this data to optimize your marketing strategy for a film release, targeting audiences based on their sentiment and engagement levels. You can explore more about how to integrate this into your workflow at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.